Good morning, everybody. Come on in. I'm cooking the fastest meal probably that y'all gonna ever see me cook. So here we go. I've already prepped some chicken and cooked some rice. And I thought, you know what? Time has caught up with me. So from this point forward, once you get the rice cooked, it takes 2 minutes to prep to cook rice. Had already deboned some chicken breasts and cut them into some chicken tenders. So let me just give you a real quick way to go ahead and prepare this food because I got to be out of here in 30 minutes and I got exactly 30 minutes. I got to be out of the kitchen in exactly 30 minutes to accomplish my mission. So what I'm going to be doing over here on the side, what you see over here, I think you can see me, yeah, over here on the side, right there. I've got some chicken breasts that I've deboned and seasoned with my usual season. Remember the mixture of 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of onion salt, onion powder, the dry chicken bouillon cube mix, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, my little mixture bottle. I thought I had used it all when I did the ribs, but nope, still got some left. So anywho, I've used it on here and I've got it all mixed up here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to fast fry. These are going to be like chicken tenders. Need just a little bit more of that on there. So I'm going to fast fry this. You know, chicken tenders, because it's a chicken breast, you don't have to fry them forever. Just put a little bit more salt on there. After I thought about it. So anyway, this is what I call fast frying. So I'm not going to mess around with time. So I'm going to get these chicken breast tenderloins in the skillet. Oh, by the way, you know I always add a little twist to what I'm cooking. So my twist to this today, after I got them all seasoned up, and you know, you season your food to taste. And this is, by the way, 4 sort of medium-sized chicken breasts that I filleted for this purpose. I went ahead and put some buffalo sauce on them. So part of the marinade, this Moore's buffalo wing sauce, I put it on there because my kids like hot food. I don't like hot food, as I've told you before, but they love hot food. So I put some buffalo wing sauce on there, and it's going to help to season them up real good. And I'm going to do some quick fried rice. Everything's going to be real quick today. So whenever I refer to it, when y'all see it on Facebook, it's going to be referred to quick. So we're going to see, can we get this cooked up here and get me out of this kitchen. Because unfortunately, I got to go to a funeral this afternoon. And I kind of sort of, you know how you get slowed down, how something, funerals always slow me down. Because for me, they require a lot of energy to get myself into the right frame of mind. So I'm sort of in that head space right now. If y'all can see, I got flour everywhere. See, this is what happens when you're cooking and you don't have a lot of time to stop and clean and all that kind of thing. It just, you see, I got my cloth in my hand over here, though. I'll tell you the truth. Somebody, last time, on Sunday, the last video that I did, I uploaded. Well, let me just start right here because I got to wipe this off. Okay, my video Sunday was long, it was lengthy, because I cooked a lot of food, and I had a lot of instruction to give. So, you know, for people, when people want to get in their mind that they want to complain about stuff and get ugly about it, I don't like that at all. And I try not to engage into that, in that kind of behavior, because it's not, to me, it's not a good feeling, it's not a pretty feeling, and it's not one that's complimentary of how we're supposed to treat one another. I mean, we can joke and kid and laugh about stuff, but when you try to get a little vicious, it kind of gets out of hand. And it goes against everything that I stand for. So to that individual, you know who you are. I'm not going to call your name, but I'm just going to say to you, don't do that. And it's just not costing me. I mean, I got thick skin. I ain't going to cry about it or nothing like that, but I just feel bad for individuals who feel the need to just make discouraging And that's what happens a lot of times to people who are having a hard time. You got people who, instead of them, you can discuss a situation or comment on a situation without being ugly about a situation. That's what my point is. So, hold on just 1 second for me. Okay, y'all, I am back, and what I'm doing here, like I say, I'm getting these chicken tenders battered up. Now, I went off camera because when I'm cooking, if I see something that ain't looking right to me, I gotta go take care of business a little bit. So what I did, I went off camera, I beat up an egg, and I put water in that egg. 1 egg, and if you want to be brave enough to try it, I don't know how it's gonna turn around because I've never done it with water. I did not use milk. Milk, browns too fast, so I don't want to put milk. So if you can see here, these look sort of wet. That's because I went back and put that. I'm calling it an egg wash. I just beat up 1 egg, and I put about 1/4 of a cup of water in it and mix it up real good, just enough to get it to where I could put it on these pieces of chicken to make sure that they had enough batter. I want that batter to be right on it, because that's all I did. Put that buffalo wing sauce on there. Probably about a good tablespoon is all I put. You look at that one. I want to make sure. See how it browned up really good. I went ahead and put that one particular one in. So anyway, we're good to go. So what I've done here, I cut up 4 medium chicken breasts. I deboned them, cut them into strip pieces as best I could, and of course seasoned them down real good. And like I said, I went ahead and I battered them first with the flour. Then when I saw that flour was not sticking like I wanted it to, and I knew I needed a wet batter sort of, but I didn't need a milk batter, and I didn't need this, plain egg by itself, because eggs will brown it right quick too. So that's what we got going on here. So we're gonna go ahead and let these cook on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. These are chicken breasts, so you can't fry them too long because you dry them out if you do. So put 1 more in there. I think that one's fit. Okay, so we're going to get quite a few chicken breast tenders out of here, out of those 4 pieces, and they're going to be nice and brown and crisp. So hold on a minute, and I'm going to go ahead, and this is going to be my quick fried rice, y'all, so keep watching. I'm going to do this quick fried rice, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pick up now with this quick fried rice. I've already, of course, used my Ninja so that those veggies will get done quicker. Got my skillet already heating up over here. 1/4 cup of oil. And this is like 1 medium onion and 1 medium green pepper. I'm just going to go ahead and dump everything in there. And so that I have like a green vegetable. I didn't have a lot of cabbage, but I had some shredded cabbage left over from something else. I'm just going to go ahead and put that shredded cabbage right on top of those onions and peppers. And I'm going to let it saute for a minute or two. I don't want to overpower it with the cabbage, but this will give it a nice flavor. So this is a different, I don't know if I've done the cabbage fried rice or not, but this is going to be called cabbage fried rice. And while it's cooking, I'm going to go ahead, of course, and start dumping my other ingredients into it. Now this is going to be a nice addition to these chicken tenders. It's going to complement these tenders so well. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of garlic in that. A little bit more, because I'm going to add some more garlic. So that's my minced garlic, that is. It's a wet minced garlic, which has a great flavor to it. So, go ahead. I got right now, of course, this is like for stir frying, so we're going to have the heat on high to do this. And we just got those nice veggies. Whew, they smell good. Let those veggies sit there and simmer for a minute or two. And I've got, I'm going to be putting just a basic, not a lot of seasoning on this because the veggies are really good. Of course, in a few minutes I'm going to add some of this abalone sauce to it. Right now, 1 tablespoon is great. Because, these kind of veggies are very porous, and we don't want to get too much salt going on in there. It's time to flip these tenders. And remember, as you're cooking these tenders, you have to have them on sort of a medium, I guess a medium high or medium low. But you can tell, because you got the egg wash on them, they will brown a little bit faster. But I cut down on that now, remember, by putting water, not milk, into that egg wash. Well, I'm calling it egg wash. Egg wash is just, I think, just beat up eggs. But this is, so those tenders are coming along nicely. About 5 more minutes, I'll be able to take that batch out and get my second batch in. And then in a little while, I'll be done with this. So anyway, this is my big cast iron skillet I'm using here for my wok today. Because I'm going to have to put a lid on this. My wok does not have a lid on it because it's so huge. But anyway, see how nicely those are coming right along? Just continue to stir it a little bit, because in a few minutes I'm going to put that rice on top of it. And we're going to put, this is a teaspoon of black pepper that I'm putting on there. And see, that looks like, that could be just a side dish right by itself. Okay? Have to taste it. Yum, yum. Okay. Okay. So everything, I'm sure you can hear the crackling of the oil from the chicken. Everything is cooking along fine. Wonderful. So what I'm going to do next, I have a little bit of leftover rice. Of course, you know, I'm going to use my leftovers first. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting the rice in. Now all I'm going to do is rice for right now. Get it in there. Just like I said, this is quick fried rice. I just cooked 2 cups. This is the equivalent of 2 cups of rice in this skillet. 2 cups of 2 cups of uncooked rice, and then of course it's cooked up. So we're just going to put it right in there. And if you notice, I'm putting it right out of the pot because remember, it's quick fried. I did not have enough time to go and do all the let it sit and cool. And it's not going to hurt anything. Okay. Now we just start to incorporate those veggies. I'm going to get a couple tablespoons of soy sauce going through there. Another couple tablespoons of that abalone sauce in there. I don't put a lot because my kids like to come back and put extra added soy sauce. They love soy sauce. So for all practical purposes, this meal is basically done, except you just got to finish up. You just got to, it's the rice, remember, and the veggies are done. It's just a matter of mixing them. And of course, when you get it all mixed up, you need to taste and make sure if you need a little bit more salt going in. But if your family, like mine, if they love soy sauce, I don't make it too salty. But I know how to season it just so it tastes good, just like it is. Or if you put some more soy sauce on it, it won't hurt anything. So y'all know I'm gonna put butter in here. I'm gonna get it all mixed up. Then I'm gonna put me a glob of butter in there. Actually, this is not butter. I didn't have any butter left. This is country crock. Now, I like country crock. Country crock is pretty good. So about that much country crock. So about a good half a fourth of a cup of country crock is what I've got right there. Okay. Take it off the stove. Okay, and I do have to put my other tablespoon of minced garlic has got to go in there. There's that. Y'all know it's going to be good, don't you? And the reason I'm having to do this quick meal, like I said, is of course I'm going to a friend's funeral. And I want to leave some food here. And I'll fume's not for one. I know it's going to be late when I get back. So Lauren and Kareem are here, so I have to leave them some food. So I thought, well, since I got to cook, why not share with my Facebook family? I'm sorry, my YouTube, well, Facebook too, but my YouTube family. So I'm sharing this meal with you guys. Okay. As you can see, everything is cooking up well. Got some little brown crispies on the bottom. I love it when they brown up. Now it's doing this perfect thing. This is where I like it. Look at that. Look at those on the bottom of the skillet. Little brown from the onion and whatever. They were still sauteing like I wanted it to be. So, for all practical purposes, the rice is done. And that onion. Give me that onion so nobody won't be thinking it's, no, that's not onion, it's a piece of cabbage. It's yummy. Okay, I can go ahead and turn the heat off from under that now because everything was already done. It was just a matter of mixing. Now I'm ready to start taking out my tenders over here. And what I'm going to do is flip them one more time. Take a deep breath. I'm going to take the rest of them out, and then I'll put my second batch in. And again, for all practical purposes, this meal is pretty much done. And I've got, since 12:17, I've got another 13 minutes to fry the rest of that chicken and get out of the kitchen. And I will be out of here at 12:30 so that I can be on my way at least by 12:45. I got to clean up a little bit, you know. So hold on just a second for me. Hey y'all, I am back. Excuse me. Froggy. I'm back, as they say on those cook shows. Time's up. Hands back. Your time is up. So here I go. I got that one little piece of chicken. It just wasn't as crisp as I wanted it. It's like 12:25, y'all. Let y'all see my little stove pot there. Can y'all see that? 12:25, because this other clock is definitely not right. Okay, so my fried rice and my homemade chicken tenders are done. I've done this, cooked all this from prep time to cook time. I started this meal at, oh my God, 45 minutes to do even the prep and then to get it cooked all up. It took me approximately 45 minutes, so it took like about 25 minutes to cook this and to get it to this point. So, y'all know I love y'all, but I got to go. I just want to tune in with you and just show you how to leave a nice, good, hot cooked meal for your family when you're on the run, especially when you got little ones. That burner is on. I got to move that. It's still hot, rather. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with y'all to let you see what you can do for your family when you put your mind to it. So anyway, I love you guys. Keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down to help our sisters and brothers that are suffering. There's just all kinds of mayhem going on all over this country, and it's definitely praying time, y'all. So with that, I'm going to say I love you guys. Thank y'all for tuning in with me. And until I cook again, I'm going to say toodaloo. Love you.